Hello and welcome. I'm Ampo VA, your Empowered virtual assistant. Let's rewire for maximum empowerment at work and in life. Today's topic is all about understanding the fundamentals of AI. AI is everywhere, from voice recognition on your phone to creative content generation and smart recommendations. But have you ever really taken a moment to dig into what AI actually is? This video kicks off a series where we'll explore AI's foundations and its vast potential. So if you're ready to truly grasp what AI is all about, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's break down what AI actually means. At its core, AI is all about making machines capable of thinking and learning like humans. Imagine tools that can make decisions, solve problems, and even come up with creative ideas. This is the world AI opens up for us. Think of AI as a big picture. It covers any technology that simulates human intelligence. Machine learning is a part of AI where machines learn from data on their own. Going a step deeper, deep learning uses advanced neural networks to handle complex data and recognize patterns. Think of it like this. AI is building a robot, ML is teaching it to learn, and GL is giving it a real complex brain. Narrow AI handles specific tasks, like virtual assistants or language translation. This is the AI most of us use daily. General AI would be more human-like, capable of handling any intellectual task we can. Though it's still theoretical, it represents AI's future potential. The most advanced form, super intelligent AI, could surpass human intelligence, something that sparks fascinating discussions about ethics and responsibility. Machine learning powers most of the AI we interact with. It's like teaching a computer to learn from experience. Instead of telling it exactly what to do, it feeds with data and it learns to recognize patterns and make predictions. Whether it's suggesting your next favorite song or detecting fraudulent transactions, ML is the driver behind these smart capabilities. Supervised learning, trained on labeled data, like a spam filter learning from emails marked spam or not spam. Unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data. For example, retailers identify customer segments based on purchase data. Reinforcement learning learns through trial and error, receiving rewards or penalties. Think of DeepMind's AlphaGo mastering the game Go by playing against itself. Each type unlocks different possibilities, from speech recognition to self-driving cars. Deep learning takes AI's abilities to new levels, handling tasks that involve massive amounts of data. For example, it powers image recognition, helping smartphones unlock with your face, and aiding doctors in detecting diseases from medical images. In natural language processing, it enables tools like translation services and chatbots to understand and respond to human language. It's also what allows autonomous vehicles to process sensor data and navigate roads. Generative AI is where AI gets creative. Unlike traditional discriminative AI, which classifies or predicts based on existing data, generative AI focuses on creating entirely new content: text, image, audios, and more. For example, while traditional AI can tell you if an image contains a cat, generative AI can create an image or write a story about one from scratch. It achieves this creativity through technology like generative adversarial networks. There are two neural networks, one generates content, the other critiques it, improving results over time. Variational autoencoders. They compress and rebuild data for tasks like image generation. Transformers. They revolutionized how AI processes and generates human-like text. Foundation models are pre-trained on large datasets and can be fine-tuned for specific tasks. They matter because they are versatile, efficient, and scalable, enabling a wide range of applications while saving time and resources. LLMs focus on understanding and generating human language. They excel at tasks like text generation, translation, and summarization. They use a method called self-attention, which helps the model focus on the most important word in a sentence and understand how they relate to one another. This enables LLMs to produce text that is coherent and contextually relevant. The most popular example of LLMs is ChatGPT. Prompt engineering is all about asking the right questions, giving clear instructions to guide AI to the best results. Fine-tuning, on the other hand, involves customizing AI models with specialized data to perform specific tasks, like improving accuracy for legal or medical applications. These techniques unlock AI's potential for more precise and tailored outcomes. As we wrap up, it's clear that AI isn't just a passing trend. It's reshaping industries and our daily life. Whether you're running a business, working in tech, or simply curious, understanding AI's fundamentals puts you ahead. With a grasp of this concept, you are well equipped to explore its possibilities. The future of AI is here. How will you use it? That concludes our session on AI basics. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's continue exploring AI in our next video.